The T-Rex is trying to eat him.
Paxton, which one's your favorite dinosaur?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
What kind of dinosaur is that?
Velociraptor.
What's it called?
Velociraptor. See?
Let's see it again.
Velociraptor. Hey, we can make a movie about dinosaurs.
Okay.
First, wait. I'll tell you when to start the video.
Okay.
Dang it.